Alright, good afternoon, guys, YouTube, people of the world, whoever. We got going on tire pressure sensors. Got this scan tool. I already did this tire. That tire was over there. So I wanted to rotate the tires anyway. I didn't program it yet because something's not working right. So this is the sensor that was out of that tire, which was on this side. So I don't know if it works or not. I tried scanning and doing a bunch of stuff and it wouldn't work. So, yeah. Note to self, like I tell you guys, be you, don't be me. Got a coat hanger, a magnet, some other junk, because I decided to take this off while the tire bead was still on, instead of popping the bead and then getting my hand in there and then taking it off, which I don't even know if this is the right size. Seems the right size there, but does not seem the right size here. So the old ones, I don't know if they were good, I don't know if they're bad. They have no numbers on them, so they seem like a pretty cheap one. So these ones are an 11 millimeter. The other ones are 12 millimeter. So anyway, that's one down. I have this little Schrader valve torque wrench deal. Anyway, so I pulled the Schrader valve on this one. Let's go to the backyard. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. So once I get this done, once I get these 4 done, I'm gonna pull I'm gonna pull the tires off the trailer, and I'm gonna attempt to do them by myself, but in the meantime, this is what I got. I don't know if I want to go right on top of that valve. Probably shouldn't, but whatever. Harbor Freight tool thing. Tire changing. Oh, well, that one broke inside. So I say, don't be me. Don't do what I do. I do dumb things. I gotta fish that out. But whatever. It's me. I'm cool. I'm cool. So yeah, I will not be fishing this off or on camera because yeah, it's not fun. Basically just want to get it lined up where the valve stem is. So lesson learned, don't take it off where the thing is. But anyway, I'll get in there, I'll pull that out. And then, I don't know how this is gonna go, but these are some heavy duty tires for the toy hauler. So these are a all steel radial 225 75 15, 4 plies, so it's 1 steel plus 3 steels. Sidewall is 1 ply steel, which will be fun. It says they're regroovable. That's cool. So 22 of 24. PSI. Let's look at this PSI real quick. 110 PSI. It's a load G, 14 ply. 4 of them. So I think this tire is a load D, and this tire, the other three that are like this, are load E's. So I will be replacing these. 225, 75, 15. So I'll be replacing these tires with those tires. And I got new tires coming in to Discount Tire. I got an appointment for, I think, like the 15th or something, or 20th of next month, because they couldn't get them. They couldn't get them that fast. Everybody's pretty much out of stock. So he called me today, told me they're on order and they should be there by the end of this week. And if I wanted to come in sooner, I could, but I don't think I can because I gotta work. Anyway, guys, that's what I'm doing. These are Schrader. This is scanned for installation. I scanned it, and basically they talk about them for about 7 hours. They don't tell you anything. I watched about 6 of their videos just to be on the safe side. Anyway. Alright. I'm going to get busy. So I'll throw them all on, rotating them. Took this tire, flipped it over to this side. Then I'll do the back. I'll do the same. Rotate them that way. Not sure if that's the proper way of rotation, but these are non-directional tires. So I think we'll be good. Alright, guys. Once I get it all done. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how it worked. I don't know how these get programmed. I tried programming them here. I took pictures. I took a picture of each one. So they're easy sensors, supposedly. And yeah, there's the torque spec for it. 8 Newton meters. I believe that's 8 Newton meters for that. So you don't break them. Anyway, but yeah, so some people are saying that you got to drive it and they'll automatically learn, or not, or turn on. Some people are saying that you got to use a magnet to turn them on, or spin them, like stick them in a drill and spin them. I don't know. I'm gonna drive it. I'll bring this little scan tool thing with me to work if they don't program themselves. And yeah, I'm already tired. I'm already pooped. And I don't know why. Alright, I'll be back once it's all done. Let you know of any more issues I find. Alright, guys, well, I got all the sensors replaced. Just took one apart for fun, the one that I broke. So I ended up heating it up. It's a 3-volt battery made in Indonesia. So, anyway, this stupid thing, it's gotta update all these. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know, because I can't get it to talk to any of these sensors. I did know this had a 2023 software, I believe, on it. When I first got it, I updated it. But anyway, whatever. Got all the sensors replaced. I put 40 PSI, rotated the tires. Yeah, I needed to rotate them anyway. So, that's what we got. I like it. I like the way they look. I don't know about how they drive. Seat's uncomfortable too, I think. Alright, guys. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Keep being you. Any questions? Let me know. Later.